happen. The crossover was gonna happen. If you watch MTT News, the Mandalorian cosplay one, it's from something like Comic-Con. You will not believe what there is. There is Bill Cipher. A Bill Cipher cosplayer. This is like my dream. That's my dream for Sans to meet Bill. I can do it here off. Blue Fire Party. And then first for me, Bill would really hit it off. Timmy and Ron. To burn the virus. Dirtbags. Now here's a few ships that I ship. Well, first, I just happened to ship Frisk X Sans, Frisk X Papyrus, Bill X Meeble, Bill X Pyronic Pacifier, Bill X a whole bunch of other people. I ship with a lot of people. Forge, and Stan or something. Axon or Corkle. I don't really know. They might have both been in love with her. I would have really expected a love triangle. Oh. Also, I'm going to be doing some Sue's impression right now. Hey, dude. My name is Sue. Hey, girlfriend. Now I'm going to be doing Tiffany. Hello, my name is Tiffany. I'm a schoolgirl at school university. Would you like to be my boyfriend? I'm not like other video games. I'm special. That's rude, man. I'm going to send with the angels. Is that where Grandma is? No, she is not there. That is dark, man. Step right up to the mystery shop, folks. Reality is going to be more so hologram. Bye, gold. Bye. So that's just a few of my impressions to remember. And remember, reality is illusion. And the universe is a hologram. Bye, gold. And get dunked on. Woo!